Today's video is a neck, shoulders, and upper back tension release seated yoga stretch class. We'll do all seated poses. This practice helps relieve stiffness and tension in the upper body and also promotes calm and relaxation. We'll do stretches for the neck, shoulders, chest, upper back, and the side body. Whenever you're ready, we'll begin. Start in tabletop, hips over knees, shoulders over wrists, cat and cow. Inhale, drop the belly for cow, look forward. Exhale, round your spine for cat. Continue, inhale, drop the belly, arch the back for cow. Exhale, round your spine, push the floor away in cat. Do a few more rounds at your own pace. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. Connect your breath with your movement. On your last round, we'll linger in the pose. On your next inhale, come to cow, arch the back, look forward, pause here, keep the breath going. On your next exhale, cat pose, round your spine, relax the neck and the head, breathe. Release back to neutral spine, prepare for a quick side stretch. Keep the lower body in the same position, walk your hands to the right as far as you can go, pause at your edge, then move your hips to the left. Feel the stretch in the left side of your upper body and your left arm. Relax the head. We'll switch sides, walk your hands over to the left. Send your hips to the right. Enjoy the lengthening in the right side of your body this time. Right arm, relax the neck and the head. Come back to the center. We'll sit in hero pose, virasana, knees and feet together. Sit on the heels. We'll do variations of eagle arms to stretch the neck, chest, shoulders, and upper back. Bring the right arm under the left arm. Press the forearms and the palms together. Maybe even a double bind there with the wrists. If this doesn't work, give yourself a hug with the right arm under the left arm. Get into your position, pause for a breath, notice how you feel. Do some head movements, look from side to side, bring the ear to the shoulder. Come back to the center, we'll move the arms. On an inhale, lift the arms up as far as you can go. On an exhale, bring the arms down, round your back, tuck the chin. Do a few more cycles of this at your own pace. Move with the breath. Eventually, come back up to the center. Relax the arms by your sides. Shoulder rolls. Roll the shoulders up and back a few times. Reverse. Roll the shoulders forward a few times. Prepare for the other side. Eagle arms. Left arm under the right. Pressing the palms and forearms together, or maybe having your left arm under your right arm. Head movements if that feels good. Pause at the center. Add the movement. Inhale, lift the arms up, head up. Exhale, round your back, tuck the chin, arms down. Continue at your own pace. Stay present. Be aware of the different sensations in the body. Come back to the center. Relax the arms, shoulder rolls. Roll them back a few times. Roll them forward a few times. Pause your movement. Prepare for Anahatasana. Come to hands and knees. Stack the hips directly over your knees. And from here, walk your hands forward as far as you can go. Pause when you reach your edge and let the chest melt towards the mat. Relax the neck and the head, forehead to the mat. Let the upper body be completely heavy. Stay present. Take deep breaths here, especially if the pose feels intense. Just make sure there's no sharp pain anywhere. Last few seconds. Carefully, mindfully come out of the pose. Walk your hands back. Pause for a breath. Observe how you feel. Come to a seated position, a simple cross-legged seat with your right leg in front of the left. Keep your spine nice and tall. Reach your arms behind you, squeeze the shoulder blades together, interlace your fingers. Bring the hands on the right side of your waist. Bring the right ear down towards your right shoulder. At the same time, keep pressing your left shoulder down. Feel the stretch on that left side of the neck and left shoulder. And again, go ahead with any head movements that feel good. One last full breath. Come back to the center. Release the arms. Switch legs. We'll bring the left leg in front of the right leg. Reach the arms behind you again. Interlace your fingers your non-habitual way. Bring the hands on the left side of your waist. Bring your left ear down towards your left shoulder. At the same time, keep pressing the right shoulder down. Enjoy the stretch in the right side of the neck. Maybe some head movements here. Your own exploration. Keep the breath going. Last few seconds. Come back to the center. Release the arms. Shake out the hands if you need to. Come to bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. Press the soles of your feet together. Hands behind you, fingertips to the floor. Squeeze the shoulder blades together and lift the chest, lift the gaze. Deep breaths. Feel a nice expansion across the front of the body, the chest and the shoulders. Soften the face. One more breath. And release. Take a few moments here to observe any changes in your body and your mental and emotional state. Bring your palms together. Be grateful for the few minutes you had to nurture your body, your mind, and your spirit. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.